I love this dish of roasted cauliflower, grilled figs, and Hellmann's lemon za'atar dressing because to me it captures everything Israeli cuisine is about. Freshness, vegetables, and just bright flavors. You start by taking a whole head of cauliflower, trimming the green leaves, and crisscrossing the root end, not all the way through. That will promote even cooking. Put it on a baking tray with a parchment paper, drizzle with olive oil, and season lightly with salt. Place in a preheated oven and cook for about an hour, depending on the size of the cauliflower, and cook until it's nice and brown all around. Cut the figs in half, drizzle with a little bit of olive oil and salt, and grill for about 2 minutes on one side. Whisk together even amounts of full-fat yogurt and lemon za'atar dressing, and set aside. To plate, break the cauliflower into florets, drizzle arugula with a little bit of the lemon za'atar dressing. Outline your serving plate with the yogurt lemon za'atar creamy dressing. Place the arugula in the middle. Place the cauliflower over the arugula and top with the grilled figs. Yummy!